Hey everybody, good morning, Rob of it. Guys, today we have another one of our famous homemade chemical formula videos. You know, I've been making videos over 18 years, got over 1,500 videos, and I have a playlist of just homemade chemical formulas. And I've got 38 videos in that playlist. So if you like this sort of thing, you want to check out my playlist and look at my other videos on this subject. You're not going to save a lot of money with this. We're making a homemade mop floor solution, and it's going to be for tiles or vinyl or linoleum. You would not use this on wood or stone, marble, and so on. But for plain tile floors, it's perfectly fine. And the ingredients only cost a few cents, really. However, you can buy the mop solution like at a dollar store, pretty inexpensive, and Walmart and so on. But what if they don't have it? See, the supply chain sometimes goes bad, and or it's just actually just something fun to do. I think it's kind of fun to be able to make your own stuff. And that's what we're doing today. So this is a perfectly good mopping solution, and it's going to consist of 1 gallon of hot water, or at least warm water, into our mop bucket. We're going to use 1/4 cup of white vinegar. I'll put the metric measurements in the up at the top in the video, or also in the video description. This is 2 ounces, 1/4 cup. This is going to be fine on a tile floor. You don't want to use bleach or ammonia on tile floors. It affects your grout and the color of your tiles. We're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap. This is Dawn. It's pretty good for everything. I also like the Ajax. It's about half the cost, and for this purpose, it's fine. And ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, that's it. You're going to have surprisingly effective. This is a light duty. You would not use this on something that hasn't been cleaned in 5 years. And if you had that situation, what you would do is just use instead of a 1/4 cup of vinegar, maybe use a half, and double the amount of your soap and so on. But for something that you mop every week and so on, this is fine. So if you run out of mopping solution, you can make your own. So guys, be sure to check out my playlist of my other homemade do-it-yourself formulas. There's a lot of fun videos on different surprising subjects, from suntan lotions, mosquito repellent, how to fix your inkjet printer with your own cleaner, and so on. Many different videos I think you'll find useful for the home and shop. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.
I made a chart to go over the different types of floors because there's quite a few. This is our solution we just finished making for tile floors. And the rest of these are made in the same way, but just they add different chemicals. This one's for terrazzo, not very common. Stone, marble, granite, you don't want to use any vinegar at all. This is for the vinyl plank, basically the same one we did for the tile. Laminate floors is different. You're going to use rubbing alcohol. Hope this helps, guys. Take care. Have any questions, let me know. Happy to answer. Happy to learn English one day and respond to you if you have any questions. All right, bye. Take care.